Yeah, this is having impacts on everyone from local businesses to lenders. So who does this rate hike help and who does it hurt? WCNC Charlotte's Kendall Morris joins us to break down exactly who will be left asking where's the money.
Things are about to get more expensive, especially when it comes to credit card charges, new mortgages, and home improvement loans. But in the long run, the hope is that this rate hike will help level out rising inflation. The Federal Reserve raising interest rates by 3/4 of a point, the biggest increase since 1994.
We at the Fed understand the hardship that high inflation is causing. We're strongly committed to bringing inflation back down, and we're moving expeditiously to do so.
So what does this mean for Americans? It makes borrowing money more expensive.
People that have revolving debt. So if you have a credit card debt or a business loan that's tied to the prime rate, when the Fed raises rates, they raised it by 75 basis points. That's going to increase the borrowing cost for all people that have debt.
Financial strategists say the move may add to the frustration potential home buyers are already facing this year.
At the beginning of the year, you could get a mortgage at 3%. Now that 30-year mortgage is 6.2. So you're going to force even a lot more people out of the mortgage market. They can't afford to buy the house anymore.
So who does this interest rate hike help?
The banks and lending institutions benefit the most.
And so do savers, since interest rates are rising on savings accounts, money market accounts, and CDs. But who does this rate hike hurt?
The everyday consumer, and more specifically, people that are carrying debt and revolving debt that is impacted by rising rates.
But with surging costs of food, gas, and shelter across the country, financial experts say the rate hike is necessary for the long term.
It's going to get a little worse before it gets better, but it will get better.
The expected impact of this change is that consumers will spend less and the demand for goods will go down, thus helping level out inflation. In Uptown, Kendall Morris, WCNC Charlotte.